Glowaki, our after-party sponsor tomorrow!
Oh, we allowed to dance?
Yeah, baby! All right, Brad's got a new company called Next Level, and it's all about what I think every one of you in here should do is be taking some breaks and vacations and going seeing this beautiful planet. Like right after this gig, I'm going with my brother Joe and a bunch of other chiropractors. We're going to be on a boat for 2 weeks in Indonesia surfing.
Yes.
And then I'm going to Canada helicopter skiing with Jane. It's all about not only increasing your collections, which is a good thing. Is that a good thing?
Yeah.
But also having the freedom to do that stuff. He's also an amazing businessman. He's going to sit down with me after Cal Jam and help me with some of the things that I need. And so it's good to have mentors and coaches, as I've always said. But I want to say this dude is the most amazing friend I have in chiropractic. One of the most amazing. I know I have so many amazing friends, but this dude has referred more people to Cal Jam than any other chiropractor, probably all the other speakers put together. Maximize Living did really good too. I want to thank them for a while. But I just love the support, and I love all you people for supporting this mission to take chiropractic to the world, and also saving the planet for all my nieces and nephews over here, because they're screwed unless we get together, and that's what I'm going to talk about tomorrow. But let's give it up for Brad.
Yeah,
Glowaki!
Thanks, brother. That's being the MC. All right, stay on your feet. Get on your feet. Let's get some energy. You can see it on the live stream, but you got to feel it here. Iceland, little country, awesome soccer team a couple years ago, UEFA. After the games, they'd get a little drum, boom, and then they would make a deep noise, okay? We're gonna do it as a group, so get your hands up. 2 beats, and then it's a hoo, 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 hoo. Let me hear you. Hoo, hoo, little faster. Hoo, hoo. Faster! Hoo! 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 You're a Cal-Jam! Yeah! That's my man. Energy, don't you love it? Come on! Cal-Jam! There is a universal intelligence that connects all people. And inside is your innate intelligence. Your innate talks to you on a daily basis. A lot of times we have chiropractors that snuff it out, CAs, teams, limiting beliefs. I don't want to do that. That's not what I'm about. You got to listen to your innate. We're all about big things. I sat down with my wife a couple years ago. So what do we want to do with our kids? How do we want to raise them? And immediately, considerations, fears, and roadblocks pop up, right? You want to do something big, the first thing that happens is you pull back. Listen to your innate. What is it that you really want to do? What is it that you really want to accomplish? So we said, look, we want to raise givers, healers. We want them to be smart. We want them to be humanitarians. My wife said, I want them to be philanthropists. Give back. My wife is up for Mother of the Year, by the way. She's won it the last 16 years in our house. So what we did is we actually took our kids to India this summer. We had an amazing trip because we met another chiropractic family, husband and wife, both chiropractors. Their 2 kids, Finn and Dolly, started a company called Nalu. And what they do is they sell cool surf swag, and from the proceeds, they actually put children in school in India that otherwise couldn't afford these school uniforms. But the uniforms go way beyond that, because what the uniforms really do is it protects them at the age of 12 from some pretty horrible scenarios. The boys get sent to factories, and the girls get sent to pretty awful conditions. And the polite way the kids say it is, they go away and they come back pregnant, but they don't know their fathers. So these 2 little chiropractic kids, Finn and Dolly, started this company called Nalu because their first friend, Priti, was without a uniform at 12 years old. So they found a way and got her one. And long story short, this created a movement as chiropractic families. So when we first heard this story, we said, that's the kind of stuff we want our kids to do. You see, we were clear on what it is we wanted to do before it presented itself. And that's how the universe works. The universe doesn't give you answers, it gives you resources. It provides you with opportunities when you're living in spirit, inspired, innate.